decentralized trading suite with CEX-like performance? This is Zyra Labs. With over $10 billion in trading volume and more than 1.1 million active wallets. DeFi is powerful, but switching chains, managing bridges, and paying high slippage shouldn't slow you down. And on Zyra Learn, even a beginner can trade effortlessly. So today I'm actually going to show you how Zyra works.
So right now we are on Zyra Labs official website. We are going to go to launch app. Up you can see your perps swap. So first we are going to see the swap. In swap we are going to check out the cross chain. So as you can see here, I have selected my wallet here already. My one wallet is Pietra, another is Phantom. So I'm going to transfer APT to USDC on Sol, and I'm going to say swap now. It will ask for a few approvals. You can see here your tokens are going to get exchanged, which tokens are going to get exchanged. You want to say approve. It will take a while. Again we are going to say approve. So yeah, I can see here that I have received the same amount. So yeah, say close. So this was that easy and it was very quick. Like you don't have to use 2-3 apps at the same time. You can just exchange your token on this one single platform. Now let's take a quick look at Zyra perps. So at the start you will get a quick guide. You can go through that if you want to know how it works, but right now I'm gonna skip it. I have my wallet already connected here. Let's go to deposit and let's deposit few funds here. Approve. Transaction successful. Okay, so let's open a position now. Let's go to the order book. Let's select the asset. We'll insert the amount here. Here you can mark the limit. Here you can also set your take profit stop loss. Zyra perps are default on hedge mode. Here you can say open long, open short. I'm just gonna say open long. And as you can see here, you can monitor the position. In open orders you can monitor the open orders. You can see the order history here. You can see the trade history here. You can see the funding history here. You can see the deposit and withdrawal history here. So in this column you can also add margin. If you want to select, you can just put the amount that you want to. So in this space you can also set your take profit stop loss. You can also make the reverse order, as well as you can also click on quick close to close the position. Yeah, so it's that easy.
And you know, with Zyra, you swap seamlessly across 9+ EVM and non-EVM chains. And the smart split routing gives you better pricing with minimal slippage. It's just like centralized exchange, but fully on-chain. And it just doesn't stop there. With Zyra perps, you can trade perpetual futures using on-chain order book. It has cashless transfers, keyless smart accounts, hedge model on Aptos for smart risk management, and the open position, close positions are all in seconds. You can bridge assets effortlessly between ecosystems and access real-time liquidity. Experience truly borderless DeFi all inside one powerful super app. Zyra, built for speed, built for future of trading. So what are you waiting for? Trade now on Zyra.